Rolling back prices, a guide to understanding savings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might encounter while shopping or in advertisements. Rolling back prices. Understanding this term can help you navigate shopping experiences better and make the most out of your budget. Let's unravel the meaning together. Rolling back prices refers to the act of reducing the prices of goods or services to a previous lower level. It's a strategy retailers use to attract customers by showing that they're offering items at a discount or at a price lower than what it was before. Think of it as a metaphorical rolling back in time to when prices were cheaper. Retailers roll back prices for several reasons. To clear out inventory, making room for new products by selling old stock at reduced prices. To attract customers, lower prices can draw in more shoppers. To stay competitive, matching or beating the prices of competitors. Seasonal promotions, special times of the year, like holidays or end-of-season sales, often see price rollbacks. Not all price reductions are genuine rollbacks. Here's how to spot the real deals. Compare prices. Check if the current price is genuinely lower than before. Look for signs. Retailers often advertise price rollbacks clearly. Use price tracking tools. Online tools can help you see the price history of a product. Let's look at a few examples. A supermarket might roll back the price of bread from $3 to $2.50. An online retailer could reduce the price of a smartphone from $999 to $899, advertising it as a price rollback. During a holiday sale, a clothing store might lower the prices on winter jackets, rolling them back to last year's prices. We hope this guide has illuminated the concept of rolling back prices for you. It's a common strategy you'll see in many shopping scenarios, intended to offer you better deals and savings. Next time you see a price rollback, you'll know exactly what it means and how to assess if it's a good deal for you. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!